Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, we have seen that since December it is continuously in uptrend, and from there, okay, whenever the price has moved to a level of high, we have seen the profit booking has come. That is around 77 we have seen a good profit booking has come, and 85 also we have seen a profit booking has come. Okay, so 77 it may after 77 it made a low, and after 85 also it made a low of around 64, or from 77 we have seen a low to around 66. Okay, so what we can see now looking at the chart. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or even any other commodities you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then only you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities are working. If you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, 77 is a 7-year high, and 85 is also, I have already told you that since 10 years it has not reached that point. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart now, trading at around 87.98. I'm making a video in the live market so you can understand here. Okay, so 85.34 is a very strong support, so you have to understand here, if it goes below this level, then we can see a fall in the price of crude if it goes below a level of 85, and if it goes below a level of 77, then also we can see there can be a fall in the price of crude. But okay, now if you look at the chart, we have seen that after 85 we have seen a fall in the price of crude because profit booking has come at that level. Okay, but after that it is continuously in uptrend and now trading in a particular zone. Okay, and if this zone, so suppose if this zone sustain, okay, then what we can see, it can go further high. Okay, I will explain you for high side afterwards, because it is not been since not achieved since 10 years. So now if it goes above this level, we can see it can go further high to a level of 95 to 100 also, but I'll explain you when I have to explain you if the price goes below this level. We can see if the price goes below 88, then we can see it can go to a level of 86, and from there we can see a level of 85 also. And if the price then sustain 85, we can see a level of 84, and from there we can see a level of 83.20. and suppose if the price then sustain this level also, we can see a level of 82.15, and from there we can see a level of 81.85. okay, and suppose if the price then sustain this level also, we can see a level of 80.49, and if the price then sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of, see, if didn't sustain a level of 80.43, then we can see it can go to a level of, again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain a level of 85, we can see a level of, see, if the price didn't sustain a level of 88, then we can see a level of 87.42, and if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down to a level of 86.8. and suppose if the price goes below this level, 86.34, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 85.63, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 84.97. Suppose if the price then sustain a level of 84.87, then we can see a level of 83.12, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 81.92. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 80.37, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down further low to a level of 78.45. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 77.44. okay, so you have to understand here that 77 is a strong support, a resistance, and now it has become a support. So if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 74.27 also, and from there we can see a level of 73.32. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see a level of 72.24, and from there we can see a level of 70.39. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 79.43, and if it goes below this, then we can see a level of 68.71. okay, and understand one thing, if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 66. okay, if it goes below a level of 69.28, we can see, if it goes below a level 69, we can see it can go further low. But now if we talk about upside, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further high, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 88.51, 88.98, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 89.92. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, crude sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 90.12, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 91.08. Okay, and if the price sustain, the crude sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 92.70, and from there we can see a level of 93.02. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 95.92. Again I repeat, if the price sustain above a level of 88.82, we can see a level of 89.79, and if the crude sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 90.44, and from there we can see a level of 91.73. Okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 93.02, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of, okay, you can mail me regarding anything, any doubt regarding this. So if it goes above 93, we can see a level of 95.92, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 96.69. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 97.53. From there we can see a level of 98.18. Okay, and if this, and because these levels are already got tested here, if you look at the chart, we can see that these levels are already tested here, so chances of going towards 99 is high, and probability of touching 100 is very high. So you can check my previous video if the price goes above the 100, okay, where I have explained that if the price goes above 100, we can see it can go further high. Now I'll explain you if you are a trader. So if you are investing for long term, you can invest, but you have to consult your financial advisor before investing. If you are trading, understand one thing, that if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, you have to understand that, see, that you should be trading, if you have $10,000 of capital, trade with $1,000 of capital, that is around 10 to 15% of capital, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%. Okay, and so that if you trade 5 times a day, 5 times in a month or a day, then you have a defined risk that is around 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. So you know that you have suppose if you lose on the 5, then you lose in $500, and you should not be a feeling burden that you have to recover the amount, or if you trade continuously without knowing your risk, you can lose your capital. Okay, so you always have to define. You can attend my workshop where I tell you where to enter, where to exit. Okay, I do in a group as well as individually, okay, regarding this. So you can mail me if you want to attend my workshop. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.